Comment 452 does not say that two things are not equal to each other. What it actually says is that you, the student, have no basis for thinking that two things are equal to each other. This comes up a lot in congruence proofs. You might have a situation where you have to prove that that triangle is congruent to that triangle is congruent to that triangle. If they're congruent, then indeed everything will be equal to everything. That will be equal to that, that will be equal to that, that will be equal to that, that length will be equal to that length, that length will be equal to that length, and that length will be equal to that length. That is completely to do with the fact that they're congruent. But when you're proving that they're congruent, you can't say that things are equal to each other unless you've got a good enough reason to. So if you've got a good enough reason to say that that's equal to that, then say that. For example, if you've been told that it was a rectangle. But if you haven't been told that it's a rectangle, do not carry on as if things are equal simply because they look equal to you. The fact that they look equal just comes to do with the fact that it's a well laid out diagram. That doesn't mean that you've got any basis for saying that they're equal. It's about sticking to things that you know and only making statements that you have a good justification for.